Hi there, welcome. This is Marybeth here with dailypaybeginshere.com. And I'm so excited that you're here because I want to continue to talk to you about dailypaybeginshere.com and how you can use this simple, proven system to be able to create daily pay for yourself and for your family. Okay, so if that is what you are looking to do and accomplish, congratulations, you are in the right place at the right time. So I just want to begin by showing you what is possible when you do get started and plug into this very system, okay? So here was another commission that came through just the other day right here. A premium level member just joined, okay? And this is what I was able to generate as a result of my new sign up, all right? So let me take you into the back office right now and show you the system that I am using. All right. First off, if you want to be in a position to be able to become your own boss and create daily pay, then what you want is you want to have access to a product that is in high demand. And that's exactly what this product is. It's a very high demand product. It happens to fall into the category of the e-learning industry, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry and growing at an unprecedented rate. Very high demand because there's so many people out there that want and need to be able to increase their cash flow, supplement their current situation, and even replace their current job. This is a very viable solution, and so many people flock to Google and to YouTube, two of the most popular search engines, in search of this type of product, okay? So it makes it very popular and it drives up the demand, making it a high demand product, okay? It's a digital product, and what it does, it teaches you and shows you by following a simple, proven blueprint, working 2 hours a day, how you can create daily pay, okay, and increase your cash flow. So that's first and foremost. You want a good product, a solid product, and one, of course, that is in high demand. Now, you also want an automated system because you want to be in a position where you can work smarter and not harder, and you want something that's going to free up your time because we're all seeking not only financial freedom, but time freedom. So this happens to be part of a system that once you plug into, there's a wonderful presentation that largely automates the system and the process, and it does all the telling, all the selling, and all the explaining, making it a rejection-free business model. And that's the best kind of model to have working for you, folks, because it's going to work for you 24/7. You're going to advertise a website. People are going to willingly enter their email address. They're going to automatically be redirected to a presentation that breaks everything down and explains everything just perfectly. And that's exactly what you want. Now, we're following a step-by-step blueprint, and what we're learning is how to attract people to us, following an attraction marketing blueprint where we have a two-pronged approach. The first approach being we are copying, pasting, and posting pre-written ads that we are provided with, including image ads as well. And then we're also creating content, and we're doing all this for free, okay? Zero advertising budget is needed. You don't need to spend money on paid ads. We are simply learning how to create content all for free, plus copying, pasting, and posting ads, okay? So you have these wonderful platforms. We recommend you pick at least one to get you started as a primary and then scale up and add a secondary. So you have to choose from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and there's even Craigslist. But you pick one and you get really comfortable and really confident with it. You go out there and apply and implement the training, and then you start the process, folks, of traffic and lead generation coming through your automated funnel. Okay, so that's what we're doing. You'll have access to your own back office with your own training to make all of this possible. And then what we're also doing is we're combining our funnel, our automated funnel that is set up to work for us on automations 24/7 with a proven email follow-up system. So our focus, of course, is building our email list because the money's in the list. And of course, the fortune is in the follow-up. So we have follow-up emails going out for us personally on our behalf for an extended period of time. And what these do is they take our cold leads and they warm them up and they build that all-important know, like, and trust in the eyes of our prospects, okay? Making this the perfect rejection-free business model. And that is the best kind of model to have, folks, rejection-free, okay? And last but not least, we have 4 different product packages where we're able to earn our commissions. 100% paid directly to us, up to and including the product package that we own. And yes, you can upgrade at any time. So this is the system. This is the back office. Everything will be here waiting for you. You just pay a one-time admin fee and a one-time membership, and then your back office will be unlocked, just like mine, and you'll be able to access all of the wonderful training. Now, before I close out, let me show you where you will be going to get the information. dailypaybeginshere.com, okay? And here is my website. What I invite you to do is enter a good valid email address right here, and you're going to be able to discover how you can start an online business using a proven blueprint, very beginner friendly, and all you do is enter your email and click yes, send me the blueprint, okay? And when you get here, this is where you are going to be taken, okay? First off, you're going to go to this video that you're going to be watching right here, and you're going to be able to find out how you can launch your own online business, a daily pay online business that's going to be working for you 24/7, and it's so exciting. So you'll watch this video first. Once this concludes, you'll click here, okay? And then you will come here and you will watch the second video, which is the company sponsored presentation right here. You'll scroll on down. You can review everything. This is me right here. You're going to find out exactly how this works using a simple 3-step system where you can start getting paid daily, 100% commissions paid directly to you. Instant pay, direct pay, 100% commissions. You get to keep it all, okay, depending on the level that you join at. You can upgrade again at any time. Listen to our wonderful member testimonials here, folks, and be prepared to be amazed. I love this system. I know that you will too. You'll come on down, you'll continue to scroll, and then you will come to the products. We have 4 of them. You choose the one that's the best fit for you right now. I just say get in where you fit in, because you can always move onward and upward. We do have, of course, our starter, our elite, our pro, and our premium, okay? You can review everything right here, get all of the details. Here's the bundle that comes with each product package. I do accept Cash App, and I do accept all major debit and credit cards, so you have 2 choices of pay. So here's product package 1 for you to select from, 2 or 3 or 4, okay? So you'll be able to earn 100% commissions. We have a wonderful little calculator. You can play around here for illustrative purposes only. So let me just put something in here. This is what you can build up to, and this is what 1 sale a day at the premium potentially can bring you and what it looks like, okay? In terms of weekly income and monthly income. So this is a very profitable, lucrative potential here. And again, I do accept Cash App and all major credit and debit cards. We have some wonderful bonuses that you'll also be able to unlock and open up, being bonus number 1 and 2 and 3, okay, depending on the level that you come in at. So you know what to do next, folks. Head on over to dailypaybeginshere.com, okay? So again, dailypaybeginshere.com, and enter your email, and I will see you on the inside. My link to my website is below in the description, dailypaybeginshere.com. Any questions, feel free to text or call me. I am just a simple phone call or text away, and my personal cell is also provided for you to use if you're serious. I welcome all serious inquiries. It's also included in the description. So with that being said, I'd love to welcome you to the team in advance and hope to see you soon on the inside. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can be in a position to be able to create daily pay using this simple, tested, proven system. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.